often lies not in income, but in childhood. Yes, your money habits today are deeply connected to what you experienced growing up. Let's uncover how your childhood silently programs your relationships or argued over expenses. Your brain learned one thing: money means stress. On the other hand, if money was spent freely without planning, you may have learned that money is meant to be enjoyed now, not saved for later. These early experiences form your money blueprint, a subconscious pattern that controls your financial behavior as an adult. Emotional experiences with money. Many children receive money as a reward or comfort. Be good, I'll buy you something. Stop crying, I'll get you a toy. Over time, the brain connects money with emotional relief. As adults, this often shows up as emotional spending, shopping when sad, stressed, or lonely. If you grew up hearing phrases like, "we can't afford that," repeatedly, you may develop a fear of